Hey guys, how's it going? So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to trade options on Robinhood pretty much. It's not as hard as you think, but it is very risky. So before you get started, make sure you do a lot of paper trading and do some fake ones first because it can go pretty good, but it can go pretty bad. You can lose a lot of money, you can win a lot of money. So let me get started. Okay, so we're going to use Microsoft as an example. Right here, you would press on trade, and then instead of doing buy or sell, you would just press on the trade options. Once you're on this screen, it's going to have many options right here. It's going to have the up arrow, down arrow, sideways. It pretty much kind of helps you out with everything. It tells you buy a call, similar to buying stocks. You want the price of the stock to go up, making your option worth more so you can profit. Now, there's some different examples right here where they kind of try to help you out. They have a high risk short term, they have a medium risk medium term, and then a some risk long term, which is like a year out pretty much. And the same thing with puts. If you press on this arrow right here, this is basically you saying that the price is going to go down of this stock. Once again, you have a high risk short term, a medium risk medium term, and then you have some risk long term, which is, pretty much a year out again. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you actually how to, look at the bids and the contracts. Okay, so let's say you're saying that Microsoft's going to go up. You would pick a date. Up here is where your dates are at. You scroll through and you can go out, as far as you want. As you can see, all the months and the year 2020 right there, up to 2021. So let's just pick out May 24th. Okay, so pretty much all the ones that are under this line, which is $125, all of those are in the money pretty much, and those are the safer ones. If you pick the ones out of the money, it's gonna, if it doesn't hit your price, it's gonna be worthless, so you're gonna lose everything. So my tip is always buying in the money. So let's say we wanted to get this 125 call. It even tells you the break-even price right there, which is 127.15. If you press this graph up here, it shows you literally everything about this call. It shows you the bid, the ask, the last sale, the mark. It tells you the high and the low of the day. It tells you the volume, which is how many people are trading this, open interest, and then down here you have the delta, the gamma, theta, vega, and rho. You have implied volatility, break even on Microsoft, and the chance of profit right there. So it basically tells you everything right here on the screen. Now on this screen right here, every contract has 100 shares. So if you want to buy one contract, that is 100 shares, and that would be that is your price for there. So if it says 2.17, that means $217. 2.23, that means $223. So one of these contracts would be, $221, $22 right now. And then if it goes up, your price goes up. So every contract you buy is pretty much 100 shares. If you buy a contract and it expires out of the money and it's not, at least the price you bought. So if you bought a $125 contract, if the price is not $125 by that date, it will expire priceless, worthless. So you will lose everything. And then if you're in the money and you don't have enough money in your portfolio, basically Robinhood just sells the contract or the shares and you make the profit on it, or you break even. It depends how much it went up. Same thing if you do puts right here. I'm going to show you puts. Once again, now this is going to be opposite. So everything above this line, so 126 and up, those are the ones that are in the money, and the ones below 125 are out of the money. So these ones up here are more safer. Basically, you're saying that Microsoft is going to be under $126 by May 24th. And if we click on it, you have the same screen you did on the buys, except this is the puts. And same thing, one contract is worth, between 191 to 199. So pretty much, guys, trading options is very simple. Anybody can do it. I mean, it even helps you out here, but it's very dangerous. So you could always, lose all your money. You can make a lot of money. It all depends. It's very risky. You want to know what you're doing. So make sure you do a lot of research before you start trading options. And in order to actually get set up with options, you're going to have to make sure you enable it in your settings. That's something, you have to do. It takes like 30 seconds, so it's not too hard. And yeah, but if you guys don't have Robinhood and you want to start trading on Robinhood, go ahead and use my referral. It's going to be in the link below. If you sign up with my referral, you're going to get one free share of a stock worth up to like $200, I believe, and I get one free share as well. And yeah, Robinhood has no commission, so it's very simple to trade on. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you press that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and check out all my other videos. I have some very, very good content coming up, and I hope you guys enjoy it. See ya.